National Geographic Kids. Animal Superpowers by Andrea Silent. Super animals! It's a bird that packs a punch. It's a spider that leaps great distances. It's a seahorse that's invisible to other animals. A jumping spider takes a leap. Some critters have such amazing skills, they almost seem like superheroes. But these abilities are not just for show. They help the animals survive. Let's find out how. Amazing speed. Some creatures move very quickly. Take the American pronghorn, for example. At top speed, it can run nearly 60 miles an hour. That's the speed many cars can go on the highway. Running fast helps the animal avoid predators. Pronghorns are the fastest land mammals in North America. Word power. Predator. An animal that hunts and eats other animals. Talk about fast food. Chameleons shoot out their tongues to snag yummy insects. They must act fast before the bugs get away. It takes them less than 1 second to grab lunch. A chameleon's tongue can stretch to about twice the length of its body. Why couldn't the chameleon speak? It was tongue-tied. Brazilian free-tailed bats soar around looking for snacks. They can fly up to 99 miles an hour. Some of the fastest pitchers can hurl a baseball at about the same speed. Brazilian free-tailed bats. Epic strength. Super strong animals are often big and have lots of muscles, but some are small and slim, like leaf-cutter ants. Leaf-cutter ants carry heavy pieces of leaves to their nest. One leaf-cutter ant can carry almost 50 times its own weight. That's like a human lifting a pickup truck. Crunch! Sea otters have powerful jaws, and their teeth are more than twice as strong as a human's. They use their mighty mouths to crack open hard clamshells to get to the meat inside. Secretary birds snack on snakes. When they see one, they give it a big kick. The kick is so strong, it knocks their prey out cold. Sea otters eat about 1/4 of their body weight in food every day. Word power. Prey. An animal that is eaten by another animal. A secretary bird winds up to deliver a powerful kick. Poof. Some creatures use camouflage to disappear from view. Cuttlefish change color at will. They may turn gray like rocks, green like seaweed, or many other colors. Cuttlefish blend in with their surroundings to hide from predators. Pygmy seahorses are slow swimmers, but they have a special power to stay safe. Adults look bumpy and colorful, just like their coral home. This makes them hard to spot. Can you spot the seahorse? Word power. Camouflage. An animal's natural color or shape that blends in with its surroundings. What did the seahorse say when offered an apple? Nay! 6 amazing spider skills. 1. A common jumping spider can leap 50 times its body length. That's like a human jumping the length of a football field from one end line to the other. 2. Many fishing spiders can walk on water. 3. When threatened, Moroccan flick-flack spiders do cartwheels to get away. 4. Some tarantulas throw their sharp leg hairs at enemies. 5. Diving bell spiders live underwater. They create a home out of webbing and air bubbles. 6. One type of jumping spider looks and acts like an ant to fool predators. Shapeshifters! A few animals can change their bodies in wacky ways. Pufferfish have stretchy stomachs. When threatened, they gulp water to make their bellies swell. Most pufferfish are also covered in spines that stick out when they swell. These changes make it harder for predators to eat them. Some pufferfish can get as big as a beach ball. A giant Pacific octopus can be longer than a car, but its soft body has no bones. It can wriggle through a hole that's only an inch wide. A giant Pacific octopus can squeeze into tight spaces to find food. The mutable rain frog changes the texture of its skin. It can go from smooth to spiky and back again. This may help it blend into its surroundings. Spiky, smooth. Word power. Texture. The way a surface feels and looks. What's a frog's favorite game? Hopscotch. Fighting powers. These creatures are ready for battle. Pom-pom crabs always carry a sea anemone in each claw. When they feel threatened, pom-pom crabs use these stinging sea animals to fend off predators. Pom-pom crabs are also called boxer crabs. The African crested porcupine is covered in quills. It raises the quills at enemies. Then it runs backward into the enemies to poke them. Ouch! A porcupine's quills can be a foot long. How do you introduce yourself to a porcupine? Very carefully. Super senses! Honeybees carry balls of pollen back to their hives in patches of hair on their legs. Some animals' senses are extremely sharp. A day before a storm, honeybees can feel tiny changes in the air. This tells them rain is coming. Before the storm hits, they gather lots of nectar to eat. That way, they won't have to go out in the rain for food. Word power. Senses. The abilities of sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. Why was everyone talking about the honeybees? They were making a buzz. Great gray owls have amazing hearing. It helps them find prey. They can even hear rodents crawling under snow from the sky. A great gray owl listens for prey while it flies. Tarsiers are small mammals with giant eyes. They are nocturnal. Their huge eyes let them see in total darkness. Western tarsier. Word power. Nocturnal. Active at night. What does an owl say to answer the phone? Who is it? Saving the day! Animals with amazing powers can help humans. Scientists studied a fly with special ears. They found it can pinpoint the location of a sound better than any other animal. Experts are using the structure of the fly's ears to make better hearing aids. Animal superpowers really can save the day. Scientists are still studying how the fly picks out one sound, such as a cricket song, in a noisy setting. Quiz Whiz. How much do you know about animal superpowers? After reading this book, probably a lot. Take this quiz and find out. Answers are at the bottom of the quiz. 1. How long does it take a chameleon to grab an insect? A. Less than 1 second. B. 5 seconds. C. 10 seconds. D. 1 minute. 2. How do secretary birds knock out their prey? A. With a bite. B. With a headbutt. C. With a kick. D. None of the above. 3. Which animal can carry 50 times its own weight? A. A fishing spider. B. A cuttlefish. C. A sea otter. D. A leaf-cutter ant. 4. What do some tarantulas throw at enemies? A. Quills. B. Spider silk. C. Leg hairs. D. Ants. 5. Why are pygmy seahorses bumpy? A. To blend in with coral. B. To lure in prey. C. To show off to mates. D. To scare enemies. 6. When threatened, pufferfish swell up by A. Gulping water. B. Sucking in air. C. Eating a big snack. D. All of the above. 7. What do honeybees do if they feel rain coming? A. Buzz extra loud. B. Gather lots of food. C. Fly in circles. D. Clean their hives. Glossary. Camouflage. An animal's natural color or shape that blends in with its surroundings. Nocturnal. Active at night. Predator. An animal that hunts and eats other animals. Prey. An animal that is eaten by another animal. Senses. The abilities of sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. Texture. The way a surface feels and looks.